end of one day, but we're going to put this video at the starting of the next video. Well, it's really going to be the next clip. But man, I thought that was still wet, but boy, they left a shiny finish on that. They got the forms all put out here for the next pour. I think they're going to pour that first one over there and this one. We'll see. Yeah, because they'll pull that out. They'll pull these boards out here before they start pouring. Yep. I don't know what the pipe's for. We had talked about putting a pipe underneath here so I could run, you know, a water line or sprinkler line or whatever, but kind of late, I think. We're gonna change this a little bit. It's gonna come down here 4 foot, and instead of being square, he said he's gonna bring it down and round it off a bit. That'll be nice. They're gonna pour that tomorrow in those two places, that one and that one, I guess. We'll see. That'll be the next, and they're gonna pour that over there. We'll walk over there and take a look at that. Vicky's checking out Hank's autograph. Let's go check it out. Yep, Hank was here in 2020. That turned out nice. Nice broom finish on that, huh?
Mm-hmm.
That's going to be nice. See, your pedestals go there and over there.
Oh, Hank.
Now, that's our properties. Hank's initiating our property again. He peed on the other side. He might as well poop on that side. Not very good prints, but that's the way he signs his name, I guess. So, all right, let's go look at that over there. That'll probably be the last pour for tomorrow. And they got to pour another square right about here for the air conditioning. And then they want $1,500 to pour this on up to here, to the corner here. Well, he's initiating this place. I don't know if I'll do that. I just bought a mixer today. I think I'll do it myself. That looks good. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, they broke a corner. How the heck did they do that? Looks broke after the fact. Oh well. That's the only mistake that gets made on this place. I'm feeling lucky. So foggy you can't even see, smoky, you can't even see them windmills now. Remember? Showed you those? Can't see them now. Well, I got here at 8:30 and they were already done. Got all the forms stripped down. Now this here, I was wondering last night about how high that is. That's a good sized step there. That'd be dangerous for old people or young kids. And you know which one I am. But they told me they're going to take that dirt. That's going to come up and go all around there. So it'll be nice and even. So I don't have to have a big step anyway. They'll probably have a little step. But that looks good. I really like the looks of that, the way they finished it off. I think I showed you that last night. We got Hank, man, he already signed it and pawed it. And this will be his part. Some of you have asked. From that corner over to here, there's going to be a fence. It's just going to be a wire fence. We're going to put a solid fence up, but there's really no reason for it. So I think this will be, this part will be wire. I know this will be wire. Fence all the way down there, or some kind of a, I don't know, chain link or something. It'll go over to there, and then it'll go up this part we're not for sure on. We don't know if we're going to go all the way down, or if we're just going to go over and then come up here and leave. This is going to be all Hank's area, right through here. And so that's where the fencing is going to go. But now I got here and they've changed things. They moved the air conditioning unit over to here. And they're going to block my vent there because they can't. There's a window here, right about there. And then there's a window over here also. So they're trying to get away from being underneath the window. If I could put it anywhere, it'd be a long ways away from my bedroom. This is the bedroom. But we'll see what they're going to do. As you can see, it isn't formed up. The owner of the company, Josh, is headed over here, and they're going to figure that one out. But they got this one all formed up here, and they poured the concrete for part of the driveway. So they got that done, making it all pretty. You guys going to put designs on this concrete like you did back there, or is it just more or less a sheet?
It's on the border on this one.
Uh-huh.
It's a beauty edge. Border right here, and your sidewalk will have
borders on it also?
Borders.
Yeah.
Your front porch will have borders.
Yeah, I think that.
AC pad.
Yeah, I mean.
Pad will have borders.
Cool. I really like the design of that out back there, like I said.
Yeah, a lot of people do.
That's nice. It looks like you poured it in sections. But I think they're going to take what's gravel's left here, and they're going to spread it out right here for the driveway. That'd be great. That'd save me some money on bringing more gravel in. It costs them probably as much to take that back as it would to leave it. I mean, it costs more. I think just leave it here. You know what I mean. So the driveway is going to go up to that tree there. Yeah, they got one more pour tomorrow, and these guys are going to be going. And that's the end of the concrete work. This is it. Happy, happy. I like the design they put in this concrete here. This is our doorway right here. I'll let that dry a little more and finish it off. That'll be probably broom. And then I think the sidewalk will go over like that. It'll be narrower. So we'll be able to put a nice little something or other right there. The columns come down there, or there at least. I don't think they have one on the other side, but time will tell. But now they're getting ready to lay out the sidewalk, and it's going to come here, then join in with that there. Will these be broom finished also?
What's that?
Broom finished?
Yeah, this is all broom.
Yeah.
Look down back there.
Yeah, I like that. I like that a lot.
The rest of it's broom. The only thing that's slick is this.
Yeah. That's because he's trying to kill me. He wants me to spill oil and fall down. It'll be slick. Well, he's going to do something here. He lays that 2x4 down so he can get a nice straight edge there. And this guy's using that, going to grab some dirt and stuff. Gravel probably, not dirt, but grab their gravel there. That other stuff, we didn't know what the color is. That's what they're putting underneath the little square pads and such for that was for the air conditioning right there he's building. Put that down. I'm sure they'll pound it down, but they got the jumping jack right here. I don't know if you can see the lines or not, but they've drilled, chalk lined, nice square places. Then they're going to take this saw and they're going to run right down through there. I've never seen a saw that small, but they said as long as the concrete's soft, which this is, it'll make a nice little line down there. Then if it ever cracks, it should crack in these grooves. That's why there's grooves in the concrete. So your concrete can crack there, not just randomly across. That'll be cool. And I think Josh said he does the epoxy floor sealants And I'm going to have this done. It helps on cleanups. You get epoxy on here and spill a little bit of oil on it, you just wipe it up. You spill it on this concrete, it's there, it's stained. So let's see how this thing here works. It's electric, you can see that. Well, that gentleman right there, he's kind of the foreman on this job, or at least one of them. His name is Chris, or Christopher, he says, as his mother calls him when he's in trouble. He's going to plug that in and do some cutting. That's a pretty handy little device if you're doing concrete all the time. Probably very spendy if you got to buy it and do it once, use it once. Here we go. We don't have power here, so we're having to use that Honda generator. Probably gonna get dusty. But that's how that works. We'll need to film this. We'll film it when he gets a nice slice done. Wow. Smells like concrete. I hate that smell. Well, that little pounder right there is going to be hard to use in that little area, but it's got to be done. Otherwise, the concrete would settle. That saw is still cutting, and it is noisy. Probably should have ear protection on running that thing, but he don't. But that little thing there, that tamps it down good. See how I squished that dirt down, well, that's gravel there. That gravel's on the back of that pile there. I wondered what that went, but that's where it goes right there. So that's what that little machine does. Well, the young man just told me that, see that little bitty line there? The reason why they do that is because it's nice and smooth. You can take your creeper over it, you can sweep out and not have much get into them little cracks. Because that's about an eighth of an inch crack compared to about a half inch if they did it this way. So that's the purpose for that. And I got it under good authority, too. That guy right there. So, the floor cracks, concrete moves, cracks, it should crack in one of these lines. That's what all these lines are for everywhere. And this is how they make your concrete curve. Right like that. A nice, good looking sidewalk curved over there. Otherwise it would just been a square corner. I really like that curve. Look better. Matter of fact, I think when I get my mixer made, I might put a little curve right there too. We'll see. I think you may want to plant something there. But that's how they do it. I'll cut that off to fit. As soon as he figures out how to use that saw. different kind of saw you're used to. Form work is the hard part. I mean, seems like a new concrete job, doesn't it? So that's how they do that. Just do that onto there.
What's our
Everything's got to be leveled when you're building anything. Gotta have the level out. Gotta be level and plumb. We're making sure the water's going to run off of that sidewalk to the right there, so it doesn't just run over and go down the rest of the drive. Now he's staking it so it won't move. The form, that is. Well, it's the end of the day. They're gone. Concrete's poured, broomed. You've seen all of the work they did today on that. And look at this. That is a lot deeper than I wanted it, but I got a driveway here that I didn't have to pay for. Oh, I see what they did. Okay. They thought I meant to stop at the garage. I meant to stop it up there. So they've made this. All right, ain't no big thing. I think Spanky's tractor might pull that. Yeah, they misunderstood me. Because this is thick here. That's okay. It's free. You ain't gonna kick a free horse in the mouth. They got their lines done. They got they put dirt over there too. We better check that out. Looks like they hosed off after all the grind. Oh, look, ain't that cute? Ain't that little thing cute? Yeah, they got the dirt pushed up around it. That's still, that front part there is still a pretty big drop. Yeah. Oh well, we'll figure something out. Let's go over here. I might have to cut that out. See what this looks like. That looks good. I'm gonna come off of here. That must be 4 feet right there. And come straight down here. Down here, this pipe here I found out is for the the gutter, to run water that way rather than run it on the sidewalk. That's what that's all about. But we got groceries in the car, and Mickey doesn't want to wait. So that's what we're going to take off. Yeah, I'm gonna have to talk to the old Spankmeister and see if we can drag that all the way down to even there. If not, I'll have them bring in a couple more loads. Ain't no big deal. Like I said, it was free. That's it for today, guys. I might add tomorrow I'll do a little filming on this, and we'll add it in. Probably this one's going to be long enough now. So you know what to do. What do they do, Hank? Do they subscribe? Do they give us a thumbs up? Can you give me a thumb? Oh, no, he ain't got no thumbs. Okay, guys. Bye.